Hello student of class 6. DAV Moyle Public School welcomes you online e-learning class. I am your social science teacher Manish Sabde. Today's topic name is Art and Architecture, Language and Literature in the Gupta Empire. Here dear student, the art and architecture during Gupta period was highly developed in all its branches: sculpture, painting, temple building, metallurgy, music, etc. During this period, we find the beginning of temple building. Dear student, you are seeing the picture of a small one-room temple near Sachi, Bhitargaon, Kanpur, Devgarh, Jhansi. The temples were decorated with the beautiful and artistic sculpture. Here, the second one is Shiva Rock Cut Temple of Ajanta. Dear student, Ajanta and Ellora, located in Aurangabad district in Maharashtra. The Ajanta and Ellora caves present the best specimen of paintings and stone-cut temples. Many images concerning Kishan Lila have been found in Rajashi district of Bengal. A large image of Varaha of 4th century, images of Mahavir Swami and Gautam Buddha are some of the fine example of their excellence in sculpture making of that period. Here dear student, Ajanta and Ellora caves of Aurangabad. The picture of Ajanta and Ellora caves shows you the architecture in Gupta Empire, the beautiful architecture in Gupta Empire. Dear student, it is the fine example of their excellence in sculpture making of that period. You are seeing the fine examples. The most significant feature of this period, art and sculpture, is that they are totally free from foreign impact. Next one is language and literature. In this topic, the Gupta period was a golden period for Sanskrit literature. Kalidas. Dear student, Kalidas, he was a classical Sanskrit author and often considered ancient India's greatest playwright and dramatist. His plays and poetry are primarily based on Vedas, Ramayana and Mahabharata. Here, the Kalidas' most famous works are Abhijana Shakuntalam, Malavikagni Mitram, Kumar Sambhava, Raghuvamsa, Meghduta, and many others work of Kalidas. Dear student, the Vishakadatta. Here the Vishakadatta. Mudra Rakshas is also well known. He was an Indian Sanskrit poet and playwright. He wrote only 2 plays, Mudra Rakshas and Devi Chandragupta. It is all about the Vishakadatta and Kalidas. Bhasa wrote 70 plays during this period. Poet Harisena praised the conquest of Samudragupta. Allahabad Prashasti. In Allahabad Prashasti, dear student, Pandit Vishnu Sharma's works for Panchatantra is famous collections of tales with moral teaching. Panchatantra is one of the most widely translated non-religious books in history. The Panchatantra was translated into Middle Persian and Pahlavi in 570 Common Era. Panchatantra is a famous collection of tales with moral teaching, written by Pandit Vishnu Sharma. Here, dear student, some assignment work on today's topic. I hope you understand today's topic well. Dear student, thank you for watching this video. We will meet in next period with new topic. Thank you for today.